Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I am standing in front of my certified pre-owned vehicle pick of the week, the 2019 Chevy Cruze. Now this specific Cruze is a premier model, and Apple Chevrolet is offering over $800 in savings for all of its customers. Now this vehicle only has 9,800 miles on it and has never been reported in any accidents. It does come with 17-inch aluminum wheels, and when we get inside this vehicle, you can see that it does have a Bose audio system, leather seating, a moonroof, a brand new Chevy MyLink radio, heated seating, heated steering wheel, and even your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.